how to boost your computer easy. To some, this might seem a little too techy, but actually this is not really complicated. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Okay, let's go. There are a few steps to boost your computer's performance. First, on your desktop, click on the Windows icon, then type regedit. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Click the current user, drop down the software folder, then hover to the Microsoft folder. Drop down to the Windows. Click the Windows folder and then look for the current version, the second below, and then click Run. Okay, you can see unnecessary files of programs down there. If you have, you may delete it all because these programs are running in the background as soon as you start your computer. So this will slow down your computer even after rebooting. Turn to the tab, click for the local machine, and click the drop down on the software folder. Then hover to the Microsoft folder. Click drop down to the Windows folder and then look for the current version. Then click Run. Again, if you see any unnecessary files or programs, so you have to delete it all because this is one of the #1 reason for the slowdowns of your computer. After that, don't forget to restart your computer, and that's it. Did I forget anything? Be sure to let me know, okay? Leave a comment below. I appreciate your suggestions. Lastly, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you!